Hello, this is TT, and today we're going to fish this little creek bottom right here, and I'll show you in a minute. This is my rod setup. I got a Gabby Garcia Black Max stick with about an ounce jig head on it. We're going to try to catch some crappie. Or some little brim. I have nowhere to set you up down here, guys. I'm sorry if the camera quality is going to be bad. I'm trying to save up for a tripod. I'm gonna set you out right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna fish this little creek bank for a little bit with y'all guys today. So how have y'all been? I'm just fishing this little creek bottom. I still ain't quite got this set up yet, like my gear ratio for these lighter jigs, but I gotta throw frogs great today. I didn't catch anything. I went out to the big lake, out past the levee, and I didn't get on nothing. I'm gonna try to do the old pitch method. If y'all know how to pitch with the bait caster is here, leave it in the comments so you guys can just explain, because some days I get a bird's nest. I usually pull out enough string like this. See, have the hook in your hand, flick the reel, then I just take it, throw it out there, see what we get. I'll be right back. I'll take y'all with me. I got it snagged. So yeah, this is the creek. It runs pretty far. Yeah, I'm a real river rat. Y'all saying from the creek, y'all full of shit. Y'all ain't from the fucking creek. Y'all don't never see in the creek. Yeah, there's a few little fish right out there. Let's see if we can get a perch or something. Or I'll do the swinging method. Probably ain't gonna get none on this video, but I was just gonna hop on here and tell everyone thank you for checking out my new song. I really do appreciate it. I just posted one last night at 2 a.m. Oh, here we go. I need my Zepco 40 for this, because this is kind of for like bass fishing. But I know there's someone out there right now who could pitch with the bait caster. I seen Mr. Tennessee do it. He's an old bass fisherman, and he pitches amazing with the bait casters. Like he could flick it all the way underneath the dock. Shout out Mr. Tennessee. He's amazing with them. I just got my new one in, my Yeah, see, no Capra, Gabby Garcia. If it'll focus. See, Gabby Garcia. Black Max. I really love it. I lost all my stuff last year. I flipped my kayak in the river. Lost probably a couple grand worth of stuff sunk. It broke my heart. I just laid on the beach on the riverbank after I flipped it. I was just laying there in shock because, like, I mean, a big old one of them rich old pontoon preppy kids come flying past me and flip me, but I guess that's how it goes some days when you're trying to fish. But yeah, just let me know how y'all are doing in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll keep making amazing content. Thank you for everyone who's subbing in. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys have an amazing night and you be safe. From TT.